Okay, come on in, and we'll go ahead and talk about your custody case. Now that your criminal case is done, we have a lot of things to hash out about custody of your daughter. So, as you know, Brock is asking for full custody of your daughter.
He can't have full custody. Not happening.
And so, I know that, he's going to claim, and he currently is claiming that you are unfit. It's based on the attempted murder charge, which we know is dismissed.
Yes.
But, we know that in the state of Georgia, while you guys were married and you had your baby, Brock would have presumed to be the biological father. Do you have actual DNA papers to prove that he's not the father?
I'm gonna have to find that. I do, but I gotta find it.
Okay. So tell me, what type of terms are you on with Ajay's actual biological father? Are you guys on good terms?
We're on great terms.
Okay. So we may need to think of a plan here to kind of get him on your side, because if he is the biological father of her and he does a paternity test, then one thing he could do, and he has the right to do, is petition the court for legal and physical custody rights. So that may be something we need to think of.
Can I manipulate the divorce with this too?
When you say manipulate the divorce, what exactly are you wanting to manipulate?
Get some, money out of this.
Well, in the state of Georgia, we go by equitable division, meaning that it doesn't have to be 50-50, but it has to be fair. So anything that you have obtained, you and Brock have obtained during the course of the marriage, has to be equitably divided. So anything.
I'm so sorry.
I don't want to lose my daughter.
You're not gonna lose your daughter, Brock.
Sarah, I cannot lose my daughter.
You're not gonna lose your daughter.
I was banking on Shonte going to jail.
So what do you say?
Everything was riding on her going to jail. If she goes to jail, she's an unfit parent. Custody stays to me. I wouldn't have to worry about anything. But now, it's going to be a custody battle between her. She can go get the other guy and claim he's the father, and it may be a paternity test that can rule me out, and they could take my daughter from me.
And I thought because you signed the birth certificate that legally makes you some kind of father, and you guys were married. Does that mean nothing? What'd your lawyer say?
He was saying we should bury the paternity test, get rid of the results from the sickle cell, and just fight like that. But really, it was all riding on her going to jail. If she was going to jail, she's unfit anyway. So even if she went to jail, say 5-10 years or whatever the case may be, no judge is gonna take a child from me after it's been growing up with me for that long.
Right, like if you have her for 4, 5, 10 years,
Right.
then they wouldn't take your daughter away
So
because
now-
she knows.
The whole plan is out the window. Like, we gotta come up with a whole new strategy. And I could lose.
Athena, we need a minute, please. Just give us a minute.